Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to log into your NetBank account. First, you need to open up any web browser, as I have already opened Google Chrome. In the search bar, just type NetBank and hit enter. Make sure it takes you to the official website www.com. Just click over here. This is the original website of NetBank. Click on Log On to NetBank. On the screen, you can see the logon form. Now, to log into your account, just click your client number over here, similarly, password over here. Just click on Remember Client Number for further use and hit the Log On button. Then you will be able to log into your NetBank account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on I have forgotten my logon detail, and you'll be able to recover your password. That's it for today, guys. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.